Hello friends, this is all-new Piaggio Ape City Diesel Auto Rickshaw powered with Ape Classic Auto Rickshaw's diesel engine, which is popular for low maintenance, better performance, best-in-class warranty, affordable spare parts, easy service and maintenance, long-life aluminium clutch, extra life for filters and increased oil change intervals. All these features make the Ape City a three-wheeler vehicle that ensures peace of mind. Ape Auto is powered with a 435cc classic diesel engine that produces a maximum power of 7.64 bhp at 3600 rpm and peak torque of 19 Nm at 2200 rpm. Paired to a 5-speed manual gearbox and clutch is multi-disc wet type. Fuel tank capacity is 10 liters. Front and rear brakes are drum. Wheelbase is 1920 mm. Overall length is 2700 mm, overall width is 1370 mm and overall height is 1725 mm. Ground clearance is 160 mm. Curb weight is 370 kg and gross vehicle weight is 670 kg. Driver cabin features include black dashboard, new digital display unit, analog instrument cluster placed in the center, USB port for mobile phone charging, lockable glove box, provision for music player and 2 speakers. Front suspension is telescopic shock and helical compression spring with damper. Rear suspension is telescopic shock and rubber compression spring with damper. Maximum gradeability is 19.40%. Provision for under-seat storage. Piaggio offers a warranty of 42 months or 1.2 lakh km on Ape City Diesel Auto.